Why Indians are good at software engineering and IT. And the reason will really surprise you. We are really good because we are really bad in core math and science. And the Indian education is built such a way that instead of understanding the science of all this thing, how the maths being used, what is their origin or something like this, there is a lot of rote memorization and abstraction, right? The way we have developed our educational curriculum, that it will force you instead of understanding, if you just memorize it and have the abstract knowledge about it, you can definitely pass the class and move forward. You will pass the class, but you'll never understand the core of this thing and never able to take this knowledge and put it into application or something like this. So, and also we are very cheap. We don't have a lot of financial things, so we never do things with hardware because hardware experimentations are always hard. Science STEM hardware, and because of this thing, all the students have this. They have built their memory capacity of memorization, and not of time understanding it. Like mostly working on the base abstraction, we are really good at it. And coincidentally, when you are become a programmer or something like this, you have to follow the abstraction. The libraries, the APIs, the higher level libraries are written. Documents. These are abstractions. There are facts. Like this function will do this, this class will do certain thing, and this abstraction. And they don't want to look back, and they want to use it. And this kind of fits to the background which they are coming from. This memorization kind of stuff they already have been doing in their high schools or something. So it's perfectly gel with software industry, like the abstraction part, the black box thinking, right? And you don't have to totally understand it. You just knows the functionality and just put your what do we call it? You have a saying, put your saliva and tape and make this thing, like whatever. So they will do this jugaad and somehow they will make things out of it. And software is totally abstraction. So this all gels, and that's why we have so much abundance of software engineers or something like this. On paper, on theory, they might look they are doing something good or something like this. They have a good life, but as a mental growth, it's not there. You at some point you will be totally irreplaceable, and that is we are seeing in the age of AI and everything. And the software cycle is there is basically you become a programmer and then later you become a manager who manages other people, and that's the cycle going on, and you'll get some money which will have a life or something like this. Nothing innovative, but a good decent life you will get. That's why we are excelling in software, which is not because we are excellent at it, because we have deficiency in other thing which somehow like bug became the feature. That is happening with Indian people in the software industry, and probably this is gonna go away as soon as AI comes.